Mr. Klaus is the coolest.
Hey, have you heard about Klaus?
His name is Klaus and he makes the best toys. Klaus.
Awesome.
Toys are the best.
What happened?
Not a word. You just sit there, be all magical and awesome.
Today we are learning English with American animated Christmas movie, Klaus. If you're new here, every week we release lessons to help learners like you, to improve their English. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons.
No one deserves it more.
Wouldn't you agree, Mr. Klaus?
Oh, he was unbelievable. Encouraging children to write letters and go to school.
Convincing the...
Encourage means to give someone the courage or confidence to do something or to persuade someone to do something. For example, I want to thank everyone who has encouraged and supported me. Kuda was encouraged to begin playing the guitar by his father.
It's her I worry about, though. Oh, she's shy. She doesn't have very many friends. I just want her to be strong, you know? To be able to face the world for what it is. That's why I don't encourage the fairy tales. I don't want to set her up to believe in this dreams come true nonsense.
Nothing.
He put a tack on the teacher's chair during class.
Nobody saw me. You could barely see it on the tape.
They caught you on tape and you still got away with it? Whoa! You must have been booking. How fast do you think you were going?
We are not encouraging this.
I'm not encouraging. I'm just asking how fast.
Hello, Chili Storks!
No! Don't encourage him! Right, you're preparing. For what?
To get my baby brother from the Storks.
Right. Hey, I love your school encourages imagination over actual learning, but the Storks don't deliver anymore.
I know.
They haven't done that in like...
Heck, I'd probably mention how he encouraged me to start up my own restaurant.
You should open up your own restaurant someday.
Looks like someone might need help mailing letters.
Yeah. Who?
I mean, how have we never defeated you?
Defeat means to win a victory over someone in a war, competition, game, etc. For example, he hoped to defeat the enemy at sea. We were defeated by 3-2. Also, it means to make something fail. For example, don't let your arms relax, as that would defeat the object of the exercise.
You want Asgard? It's yours.
Whatever game you're playing, it won't work. You can't defeat me.
No, I know. But he can.
You want to get to Tafiti, you gotta go through a whole ocean of bad. Not to mention Tekka. Lava monster? Ever defeat a lava monster?
No. Have you?
Tutmadi, if you please, they can defeat them. They are a team.
All the other dragons had been turned to stone. We were drowning in a sea of Droon. But my oldest brother, Pengu, refused to accept defeat. This is where we would make our last stand.
You never had a chance to defeat me, fool! And you know why?
Because you cheated?
No, not because I cheated, because I'm an evil genius. And you're just a kid. Finally, first I killed Dracula, and then the rest of the monsters.
Why do you keep doing this? Your dad, your grandfather, your great-great-granny. I defeated them all. When would you...
Little fool. You thought you could defeat the most powerful being on Earth.
You poor, simple fools. thinking you could defeat me? Me, the mistress of all evil? Well, here's your precious princess.
Oh, you almost had him.
I'm never gonna defeat Zurg!
Sure you will, Rex. In fact, you're a better Buzz than I am.
But look at my...
I warned you. Do it for Grandpa. You can lie. Say you defeated the Snow Queen and the princess in a castle. All yours. Don't even try.
We're gonna use good music to defeat his evil music.
What? Trust me, I know the tunes, but you've got the power!
It's even worse than I feared. It was that fateful night that I realized a human could never defeat a monster.
But since you're forcing the issue, I'm also the one who defeated the Snow Queen. You killed the Snow Queen!
He only comes when we're sleeping. No one has ever seen him. It's like he's invisible or something.
Something that is invisible cannot be seen. Also, it means not noticed or not talked about.
I am so sorry, Mary. I didn't even see you standing there. It's like you were totally invisible.
Check out my totally invisible finger!
You are keeping those on!
Don't be so uptight, I'm invis.
Man, just because you're invisible doesn't mean you get to be naked. What is wrong with you?
Okay, wait. So you have how many brothers?
12 older brothers. 3 of them pretended I was invisible. Literally. For 2 years.
That's horrible.
It's what your ideas change the world.
Invisible coffee table!
Oh,
That's not a pigeon sound.
Till you grow a cloaca, I decide what the bird sounds are.
It's so stupid.
You see, it's like you're invisible.
All right.
Where did she go? Did she disappear? Did she turn invisible? I just have no idea.
No day. I know it's no hard-boiled egg, but kids like what I do.
But none of them believe in you, do they? You see, you're invisible, mate. It's like you don't even exist.
Bunny, enough.
Well then, what about invisible sandwich?
Hero, imagine eating a sandwich, but everybody just thinks you're crazy.
Just stop.
You're not gonna be laughing for long.
The invisible car.
How would you do it? How do you kill someone in public? There has to be a way.
Mr. Holmes!
Oh, hello again, Archie. What's your theory?
The invisible man could do it.
The who, the what, the why, the when, the where?
The invisible man with the invisible knife.
Well, okay. It's just been bothering me, you know? If I don't get those letters, then what am I supposed to do?
Bother to do something means to make the effort to do something. For example, he didn't bother to answer the question. He didn't bother with a reply. Do you want me to wait for you? No. Don't bother. Also, it means to make someone feel slightly worried, upset, or concerned. For example, being in a crowd really bothers me. It was very noisy, but that didn't bother me. I try not to bother about what other people think. It really bothered me that he'd forgotten my birthday. Or it means to annoy someone, especially by interrupting them when they are trying to do something. For example, Danny, don't bother Ellen while she's reading. Would it bother you if I put on some music? Sorry to bother you used as a very polite way of interrupting someone when you want their attention. For example, sorry to bother you, but Mr. Gray is on the line.
You're never there for me. This whole marriage is what you want. Do you ever bother to ask what I want? No! You walk around telling me what to do, what not to do, trying to make me be like you. Well, I'm not going to be like you. Oh, you're acting.
So I'm gonna have to let you go.
What?
Sir,
Sir. I'm so sorry. So sorry to bother you, but you have a live TV appearance in just a moment, so it might be better if we just put a pin in this right now.
Oh, please be my prisoner.
Stop bothering Kevin.
That man there says I can take you, Bird, and I love that man there like he is my master.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna lower the hammer on Shang. Where's the dang dragon of unity when you need him? Oh, don't bother me now, Cricky. I have an idea.
Where did you get that?
Found it.
Okay, rule number 2, you will not bother me while I'm working. Rule number 3, you will not cry, or whine, or laugh.
Okay, I will tell you. Look, behind your back, Dave calls you, the rats.
Rats?
Yeah, whatever, right? I know. Well, don't let it bother you. I mean, me, I consider you boys family. If there's any...
I just found out that my dad isn't really my dad.
That must have been quite a shock.
Yeah.
And this bothers you?
Are you kidding me? We're warriors, right? Nerves of steel, souls of platinum.
Even when Basket stealing bears pushes buttons?
Listen, Yogi will be Yogi. And I'm just not gonna let him bother me anymore. Besides.
Jeez, I was only playing around with him. Isn't that right, Bambi? I'm coming! Aw, how many times do I have to tell ya? Don't bother me when I'm trying to make new friends.
It's just, I wanted to make sure nobody would bother us.
Oh, why?
Quit bothering the sheep!
Sorry to bother you this late, but by any chance, would you happen to understand this?
Moana kushin stakan ba?
Sorry to bother you, Mr. Perkins, but I figured that you would want to see this!
Look, all friendships change. But the good ones, they get stronger because of it.
Shank, I hate to bother you, but the player is waiting.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh no.
What happened?
Looks like you shrunk me.
How?
Well, if you mess up a spell, there are consequences.
I only messed up because you wouldn't stop bothering me.
I was trying to help you.
Well, don't try to help me.
Oh, okay, fine. I won't. Well, wow.